Hey everyone, it's Ahmed here, and let me guess, you scroll through YouTube and you get bombarded with shorts you never asked for. The half of them aren't even made by real people, they're just AI slop, cartoonish faces, fake celebrity version who never filmed a second of it, and YouTube's just keep pushing it to all the users, whether you're on Android or on an iPhone. Well, today that ends. In this video, I'll show you how to strip shorts out completely, or if you're more forgiving, wipe out the AI junk and keep the shorts made by real humans. Either way, by the end of this video, your YouTube is going to feel like YouTube again. Let's jump straight right in. First, let's kill shorts from our homepage because right now when you open the app, it's basically a wall-to-wall shorts before you even get to a real video. On Android, tap on your profile photo in the corner, then hit the gear icon for settings. From there, go into time management. Scroll all the way until you spot Shorts feed limit. Switch it on and set it to 0 minutes. That's it, done. Now for iPhone users, the steps are nearly identical. Tap your profile photo, tap the gear icon in the corner, go into time management, scroll down to daily limits, turn on Shorts feed limit and set again it to 0 minutes. Now go back to your homepage and no more wall of shorts, just real long form videos like it used to be. If you tap the shorts icon anyway, YouTube will tell you that you have hit your shorts limit for the day. We just wiped shorts off the homepage entirely. But shorts love to sneak back in through search. Type something into your YouTube search and you will still see shorts mixed into your results. Annoying, right? Here's the fix for it. After you search, scroll down a little and then scroll back, and here you will notice a row of tabs pop up. Something like shorts, unwatched, watched, and videos. Make sure you tap on videos. And now your search results are instantly switched to showing only long-form content and no more shorts sneaking in. Now, let's say you are not actually against shorts as a format. You just can't stand the ones that are clearly AI generated. The weird, uncanny animations, the fake scenarios that never happened, the synthetic voices pretending to be a real person. Totally fair, and you don't have to nuke every single short to fix that. Instead, we're going to train YouTube to stop recommending AI content specifically. When you spot one of these AI-generated shorts, tap into it, then hit the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Not Interested. YouTube will usually ask you why, so go ahead and pick others from that list. Once you do this a few times, YouTube's algorithm starts to learn your preferences and you will notice a lot fewer of these artificial intelligent-made videos showing up in your feed going forward. But here's something a lot of people don't realize. There are now entire YouTube channels out there that only post AI-generated content, not even a single video filmed by an actual human being. Every upload is a machine generating from start to finish. If you come across a channel like that, the fix is simple. Tap on one of their videos, hit those 3 dots again in the corner, and this time select Don't Recommend this channel. That tells YouTube to stop surfacing anything from that channel to you ever again. And the more people who do this, the more pressure it puts on YouTube to value real, human-made content over mass-produced AI filler. So, to recap, if you want shorts gone completely, go into time management and set your short feed limit to 0 on both Android and iPhone. If shorts keep creeping into your search results, filter them by using the videos tab after you search. If you like shorts but hate the AI-generated ones specifically, mark them not interested and pick others as your reason. And if you find entire channels dedicated to AI slop, just block the whole channel with Don't Recommend this channel. Do all these four and your YouTube experience transforms back into what it used to be, a place where real videos were uploaded, made by real creators, not an endless AI-generated scroll hole. I hope this saved you some frustration today because this drove me crazy for months before I figured it out. If this video helped you clean up your feed, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe if you're new here, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next video where I'll be showing you more hidden YouTube settings that nobody talks about. Oh, and before you go, if you got an Android phone, go and check out my last video because there's a good chance you're carrying some apps you didn't even know were quietly running in the background. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until that day, take care.